Hey everybody. Well, we're kind of making progress. Almost fully moved to the new house. I got maybe 2 more loads to go. I've just been fighting weather, rain and rain and rain. As you can see, the new shop is going up. It's a getting there. I got so it's 30 by 40, and it's a slow process. A couple days ago we got some massive thunderstorms with a bunch of big hail come down. It's just been crazy weather wise, but slowly getting there. Hopefully within the next couple of weeks I'll get the shop kind of finished up, and I get some concrete guys to come in here and put down some concrete. Then maybe we'll be able to get some projects done. Got all the framing materials have been delivered, trusses, all the lumber. It's been delivered next week, first of next week, couple days. Gonna get the rest of the materials delivered. I got the 2 walk-through doors, the roll-up door for the main door, and the insulation for the roof, and a few other things. We got another layer of baseboard or base treated lumber that need to get delivered. Oh, guess what? Better not forget that. Just found a screwdriver that fell out of the skid steer in the dirt. Got it, saved it. Anyway, oh man, it has just been a whirlwind of stuff going on, and trying to get this done. Wrong time of the year to be building this thing, but got to get some base to go down around the outside of this. Ended up with about 1.5 feet of fill to put in, but this backside here is going to get a 12-foot lean-to coming off the back of this back of the shop here for storage, and put the air compressor and whatever else back in here. So that'll be a project for another day. So I still haven't figured out what to do with the base. Anybody's got any ideas to because I don't want to put fill in here, because I don't want to have to bring up this ground level for this for the lean-to. So anybody got any ideas for the back of this to support the fill in the shop or inside the shop floor? That'd be a good idea. That don't cost an arm and a leg, by the way. Everything costs an arm and a leg nowadays, but I'm walking on my knees already. Well, I guess that should about do it for now. Well, let's see what else we got. I ordered and got my new bandsaw blade sharpener and tooth setter from Woodland Mills. That came in. I ordered it and it was here 3 days later. Amazing. But I'm still waiting on my H130 Max to get here. It's been 5 weeks since I ordered, so I don't know what their schedule is. A couple days ago I sent them an email, asked them Asked them if they had any ETA on that. Haven't got an answer back, so I'm sure they're just busy as heck. But it looks like right here is where the sawmill's gonna go. I should be able to run it parallel to that fence about, I'd say about 20 foot this way. I can still get in behind that shed there. I can still come in back in there with the skid steer to clean out any sawdust, and then of course I'll set the flitches out this way. Then I can pick them up with the forks on the skid steer, and that way, hate to say it, but here these poor rose bushes have got to go. Don't even know what color they're gonna be, but I might be able to save them. Who knows? More work to do. But I did get about 1,000 board foot of logs brought back from the other property, that I had cut up for the old sawmill. So I do got a little bit to do there. Plus that's all the softwood that I had from up there. Plus I got a bunch of hardwood here. I got some old logs that were cut and sitting here that are still solid. They're gonna be hard as a rock to cut, but that's I believe, what are they? I don't know. That's there's the maple, part of the maple tree. I'm gonna get some I'll get some logs, some boards out of that. But anyway, so I got enough to cut a little bit anyway. Once I get the sawmill set up, then I'll have to start sourcing logs. But anyway, say it again, it's getting there slow but sure. Sorry about taking so long to get some videos up, but things just been busy. Alrighty, everybody, well, take care, everybody, and just remember, don't ever run out of projects.